And then after he was baptized in Matthew 3:17, when he heard the voice of God, behold, this is my
Beloved
Son, in whom I am very well pleased. And after that baptism, he was brought where?
Wilderness.
In the wilderness. And when he was in the wilderness, what temptation did he face? First temptation. If thou art the Son of God, prove it. Turn this stone. What temptation? What furniture is that? Table of showbread. But Jesus overcame the temptation by answering. How did he answer and how did he face the temptation? It is written. I like the words that our brother said here. And I thought it is written in the 10th month. Now it is written in his heart. That man shall not live by bread alone, but by
every word.
Every word. What was the word that Satan took from his temptation?